The Glass Blunt Slider by White Rhino. The glass blunt slider is to be used with dry herbs. This is a dry herb pipe. This right here is the mouthpiece. When you pull the mouthpiece back, you'll see right here the inside. This slides as well. This reveals the chamber. This is where you'll load with dry herb. As you load with dry herb and it burns, the point of a glass blunt slider is as the herb is burning, you simply push and this will ash out any burnt dry herb. So this is so you constantly have a clean hit. And you'll just keep pushing till all the dry herb is gone. The Glass Blunt Slider by White Rhino.